Hey guys, welcome to Rural Steel. This is part 2 of the Eton DXL-90 restoration. If you've been watching our channel, you'll know that we got this project started a little bit ago. It wasn't running before, it's running now. So this video is going to be finishing the process. We're going to paint the plastics, we're going to put everything back together. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I've been messing with this electrical system for longer than I care to keep track of. I've got it all in pieces. I've got this whole four-wheeler in pieces. It's been stripped down to the frame pretty much, or close to it, and I just can't get the electrical to work. I've gotten the electric start close. It'll spin, but it doesn't have enough power to turn the engine over. I can't get anything else here to work, any of these other controls. The only thing that's working here really is the kill switch. So, I'm a little bit lost as to what to do. Really, I don't need any of the extras on there. So I guess I'm just going to start putting it back together. that completes the Eton DXL-90 rebuild. It's been a long and frustrating process trying to get this working and all back together. You know, the electrical system wasn't working, and the plastics weren't turning out how we wanted them to, and we just kept getting sidetracked from this project. So it's taken several months more than it should have. But here it is all finished, and it has turned out better than we could have hoped. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.